Hey, dude, Talkin Food Nation. It's your favorite off-brand Obi-Wan of food, Lee, and I'm just a dude talking food. Just wanted to take this moment to thank everyone for the early support and love, and thanks for coming back. For all of you new people here, I'm an ex-food service worker trying to help people reduce their dependency on fast food and ultra-processed foods. Lots of changes coming to the site to make things cleaner and more entertaining, as you can see, a little bit of eye candy. The next video I'm going to do is going to be about the hardest parts of eating healthy. And setting that video up made me realize I need to get some basic techniques and recipes out sooner than I intended. So Dawn and I will be working on those in the next month or so. It doesn't help for me to tell you all to make changes without even the basic tools to make those changes. So we'll get some recipes out for some simple, healthy meals and all that. But in the meantime, keep making those small changes. They add up big in the long run, and stay positive. Have a great day. Thank you all for the support. More graphics, a cleaner layout, less of Timu Santa's face on your screen. Should be more entertaining, and we'll get those recipes and technique videos out sooner.